Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can block your phone number on your iPhone device. So to begin, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the settings on our iPhone device. Now, once we're in here, we just want to scroll all the way down to phone. So right here we have the phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this. Now, once I'm in here, I just want to go down to the Show My Caller ID tab. And I just want to go in here. Now, once I'm in here, the Show My Caller ID is by default always on. So all I have to go ahead and do is just go ahead and toggle this off. So if I go ahead and make a phone call now, my phone number will be set as private or unknown whenever I make a call to a smartphone or a home phone number. And just as a side note, I have noticed that depending on what country you are, your government may actually block the ability to show your number as private, just for security and privacy concerns within your particular country. So if this isn't able to be toggled off, that may be one of the reasons as to why you can't set your phone number as private. And just as an extra step, ironically, if you want to go ahead and actually block yourself from receiving unknown calls, you can also do this within the same page as well. So if you just go to the silence unknown callers, you can just go ahead and toggle that on as well. So this means that whenever your iPhone receives an unknown call, it will directly go to the voice message or just the missed call area. It actually won't show up on your screen. So if you're receiving a lot of phone calls from unknown numbers or private numbers from telemarketers, scammers, or people that you just don't want to talk to, then this is also a great step on how you can do that. So hopefully this quick video on how to make your phone number private has been helpful for all of you. If you'd like to see any other videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section, as I'm happy to make more videos for all of you out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.